Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change a LinkedIn profile URL. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, you just have to open your LinkedIn. And now in your LinkedIn, you just have to go to your account and make sure that you already connected to the internet, yeah guys. And after in this account, I'm gonna tap on it. To change your LinkedIn profile URL, you just have to tap on this pencil icon. Now scroll it down. At the bottom, we'll see which is edit contact info. Just go ahead, tap on it. And this is my profile URL, yeah guys. If you want to change it, you just have to tap on it like this. And now tap on this edit your custom URL. Tap on this icon again, which is pencil icon. And you can change it like this, yeah guys. For example, I'm gonna change it first. And if you're done, you just have to tap on this save button. And after, yeah, as you can see, there are any information. So for my profile URL is already changed, yeah guys. So I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.